Hello everyone, welcome to Jaladhi Soft Technology YouTube channel. I am Vijay. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and join the community. Let's discuss today's topic. Today's topic, find out all even numbers in list array. That means array list. Now we can create class. Go to right click here, click new, go to class, create even numbers, finish. Now class is created. You can create main method. Now we can write list. You can select java.util-list. Here you can give integers. We are passing integers. List equal to arrays dot as list. Here you can give 10 comma 15 comma 8 comma 49 comma 25 comma 98 comma 32 comma 38. You can give this is a array list. Now we can display only even numbers. Now we can use list dot stream dot, here you can select filter. Inside the filter you can give x arrow token x percentage 2 double equal to 0 for each x plus sys system dot out dot println. Here you can pass x value. Now save this one. Now check the output. What is the output will display? Right click, run as, select Java application. Now see, all even numbers are displaying. Similarly, we can try to display odd numbers. Now we can create one more class. Right click, go to new, select class. Here odd numbers, click finish. Now created another class. Now return main method. I am copying same values. I will copy paste same values. Now we can write to display odd numbers. List dot stream dot filter. We are using filter. X implies x percentage 2 not equal to 0 before using equal to 0. Now using not equal to 0. For x need to display the values. That's why for each sys system dot out dot println. Here we can give x value. Now we can check odd numbers are displaying or not. Right click, run as Java application. See, now is displaying 1546. Y means this is displaying single line. Y means here giving print, only print. I need to add ln, print ln. Now we can check what happened. No, 549.25. I will add some more odd number, uh, 33. I will add 33. Right click, run as application. Again I am running. See, now is 33 is displaying. Before here even numbers is, we are displaying even numbers. Here we are using what type of condition? X percentage 2 double equal to 0. Here odd numbers we are using which type of that means logic? X percentage 2 not equal to 0. Not equal to 0 means that we can doing modulation, modulo. Here this is a modulation. That's why it is getting value. This is the even and odd numbers. You need to display even and odd numbers using Java 8, that means Steam's applications, Steam's methods. If you need more information about this topic, could you please ping me in the below comment box? Could you please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you for watching.